lady came up to Stewie and said, Stewie, look, I bring my baby here to your place to go shopping. Your carts are sitting out in the rain. I put my baby in a diaper there. The baby's diaper soaks up water, and the baby goes, wah! And it's terrible. Stu says, well, great. How can I do it better? Says, what I want you to do is have paper towels out here so you can wipe it off, and the baby goes in with a dry bum, a dry bottom. He said, in a million years, I never would have thought of that. And he said, and he started advertising, we have the only grocery store that dries off the cart so the baby has a dry bottom. Another guy comes in and says, Stewie, I don't like the way that you're selling us strawberries. You give us the big, luscious ones on top, the squished ones in the middle, and the smushed ones in the bottom. It doesn't work for me. He says, well, what do you want me to do? He says, what I want you to do is I want you to have all of them out and let us sample them. Well, he believes, just like I do, you got to make decisions fast. So he goes to his board right then, and they all say, are you crazy? People come in here and eat all of our strawberries. Well, they started letting people taste the strawberries, pick the ones they want, and they only put out luscious strawberries, and their strawberry sales went up 1,000% the next week. And advertising asks the customer what works.